Stegastrip is a versatile anti-climb spike product formed from robust weatherproof plastic that can be installed in a simple strip form or assembled to form an aggressive style rotating anti-climb barrier. The flexible nature of the strips make them ideal for screw fixing to flat or contoured surfaces such as a fence top, and as each strip is pre-punched with 8 fixing holes suitable for number 6 screws, it offers a choice of fixing points for your installation. Each strip is 500mm long with a 50mm wide fixing base and an overall spike-to-spike barrier width of 130mm. To form a rotating barrier, 2 strips are positioned back to back and screwed together with up to 12 number 6 by 3/4 inch screws, which screw into the receiving domes on the other strip. The rotating sections are supported at each end by an end post which is secured into position with 4 screws. And any number of sections can be installed end to end to form a rotating barrier of the required length. If necessary to fill an odd gap, a rotating section can be trimmed shorter with a hacksaw. The installed StegaRota barrier delivers a practical and visually intimidating anti-climb barrier that should offer years of maintenance-free service. For more information, check out our website or call our team of friendly experts.